Hey guys, welcome back to DelfStack, and this is how to fix the Google Chrome typing line. So guys, if you are wondering how to fix this, you could just simply go ahead and open up your Chrome, and now over here you could just simply go for the three dots on the top right corner of the screen, and now over here you could just simply go ahead and go to the settings. Now here on the settings tab, you will have an option on the left side of the screen, accessibility. So go ahead and click on this one, and now you will have multiple options over here. So from here you will just simply go for navigate pages with a text cursor. So from here, make sure this is disabled in order for you to fix the issue, as you can see over here. Now, this will turn the Caret Browsing on or off, or you could use the shortcut F7 to do it right away. So pretty much that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.